Hello and welcome back. I know it probably looks like I keep moving locations, but that's just because I am. I just moved into a new apartment and as you can see, it's pretty empty. I have only lived here for 3 weeks, so I thought what better video to make than how to raise the vibration of your home. Now, obviously my place still has a lot of work left to do since I just moved in. Let me show you what I have done so far in the only room that is finished, which is my bathroom. Here is my bathroom. So in here, I am mainly utilizing the color orange, and orange is the color of creativity, sensuality, and enthusiasm. And the reason that I am using orange in here is because I get most of my big downloads in here. Water is incredibly healing for me and I get huge downloads when I'm in the bath or shower. It seemed like the perfect color combo to use with my downloads. So here I have an orange candle. It is pumpkin spice and vanilla. It smells heavenly. I have an agate slice with my toothbrush and toothpaste, a little lotus flower incense holder, some soap and lotion, a hand towel. Here I just have a little basket for a trash bin. I might swap that out for a smaller one. And then another basket just to hold some extra TP. And these brown, super soft floor mats and this tassel shower curtain that I love. I also hung this faux rose vine. And the color pink obviously invites love into your home and space. Okay, let's not waste any more time and just get into the video already. So the first way to raise the vibration of your home is obviously through color. If you hear rattling, it is because I'm on the ground floor and people are obviously living above me. So each color of the rainbow has its own frequency and vibration. So for example, the color red is associated with stamina, grounding, spontaneity, passion. So depending on what kind of person you are, you could be using that in your workplace or in the bedroom. I'm not judging. It just depends on the person. Green is obviously the color of growth, plants. It is also the color of money, so it is good for bringing in abundance, but also for your own spiritual growth. And there is a whole psychology behind colors. I'm not going to get into every single one, so I will leave a little chart for you as well as in the description so you can refer back to that when you are trying to get things in your own home. But you see this in schools, you see this in stores. When you go to the club, everything is rainbow lights and everything is all fun. There is different colors make us feel different things and they all each have their own vibrational frequency. So some ways that you can use them in your home is obviously through artwork, blankets, you can paint your walls different colors, you can just have little knickknacks. Candles are also great for incorporating colors into your space. You can also use different colored lights. Just see how they affect your mood. You need to get some plants. When you bring in plants to your home, not only are you bringing in the element of earth and the color green, we all want to have some growth and some money, right? And you are also bringing in the 432 hertz energy because since they are of the earth, they naturally carry the same vibrational frequency as earth. I have my little yucca here. Got a little baby pothos propagation up there and a little spider plant. I'm trying to turn my place into a jungle. This one is a no-brainer, but obviously having crystals in your house raises the vibration of your home as well. They each have their own vibrational frequency and healing properties. Another way to raise the vibration of your home is to have a little friend to protect your space. Cats are highly spiritual. They are great protectors of your home. That is a whole nother video in and of itself. Dogs are also great. Evil spirits, whatever you want to call them. They do not like dogs because dogs make us happy and they raise our vibration so much that they simply cannot stay in that space. So get yourself a little critter. I got another one here somewhere. Where is she? If you're wondering why they sleep all the time, it's because they're astral traveling. I cannot stress this enough. Put protective and sacred symbols all over your home. Where I'm from, we're big on evil eye. So I have these. I actually made these. I have these up on my Etsy. So I love to use the evil eye as well as writing my own protective sigils. You can use the pentagram. You can use any religious figures that you associate with a cross, the ankh, any sort of symbol that you feel really connected to. How good do you feel when you walk into somebody's house? It smells like your favorite candle, fresh baked cookies, your favorite food. So good, right? That raises your vibration, not only you, but also the vibration of your home. My favorite that always just gives me like such a boost in my overall mood is Palo Santo. It is my absolute favorite, my go freaking to. Play with lighting. Lighting has a huge effect on our mood. How do you feel when the sun comes into your window? Fucking fantastic. Not that we can always control the sun, but you, luckily, you can just plug something into the wall, put a battery in it, and you can make your own lighting, or you can play with the lighting that you already have. I use these privacy screens on my windows and they just shoot rainbows all over my entire apartment, and it just makes me so freaking happy. I got this on Amazon and I will link it in the description. It's also another company that makes them called Rainbow Symphony. Those I also highly recommend. I used to have those at my old place. Unfortunately, they are not restickable, so I could not bring them with me. If you made it to this point in the video, I just want to say thank you. I am going to be pushing out affirmation videos for you guys every week. I've been moving. It's been a really hard past couple of months and this retrograde is absolutely kicking my ass. So just please bear with me. I have those videos coming for you. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!